Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now, today is the 1st of October. We are in official Uptober territory right here. And historically speaking, it's been a very bullish month for cryptocurrencies and especially Bitcoin. So, we're going to get into the news today. There is quite a bit to get through in terms of what to expect in October. And Ripple Labs, XRP, bullish news. Going to go over some posts on X. Also, my trading bots with 3 commas on Gate.io have been pumping today, which is really strange but bullish, right? I'm going to go over that, so make sure you stick around to the end of the video. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification, because as you can see on my channel, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting very interesting at the moment. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, all right? So make sure you give it a thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys rock. Also, a little disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, right? I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yeah, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that in the blink of an eye in crypto, all right? So be careful. Do your own research and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Right, ladies and gentlemen, formalities are out of the way. Let's get into the news. And I think I need a freaking espresso, but we'll get to that after, all right? Ladies and gentlemen, I do this because it's just so much easier, and my time is getting shorter and shorter, and it's nearly 9 p.m. here. But thank you to those 68,800 plus people. You guys absolutely freaking rock. Seriously, thank you very much. Straight to community tab. Let's have a look here. And we've got today's P&L, 248 Australian dollars. And again, it's the 1st of October. That's freaking bullish. We're going to get into that in a second. And if you have not joined the Wall Street Bull University, go join up, because I've literally posted up all of the links to all of my bots running on 3 commas with Gate.io, okay? Now, again, top altcoins in my portfolio today, we had Electronium, OMI, CFX, Kin, and Gas. Pretty standard stuff. Electronium is part of the Digital Pound Foundation, so do with that information as you will. But again, I'm bullish on, of course, where the money's moving. Now, having a look at crypto meter, let's go to CoinMarketCap. We've got $2.26 trillion today, if anyone can see that. There you go. Volume is sitting at 76 billion. It's up 11%. Bitcoin dominance sitting at 55. And, of course, Ethereum is at 14. Would love to see XRP, Sui, or Solana flip that. We'll see what happens. But coming down here, Bitcoin's currently trading at 63,894 US dollars today, which is very, very interesting. Up, 0.42%. Ethereum is up 2,638. Solana, again, still incredibly bullish on this at $157. XRP's at 63 cents. Look at that. 7.46%. That's actually increasing quite nicely. Where's Sui? Let's just have a look at my other gem right here. It's up 21% in 7 days. $1.89. This is crazy. I mean, people could buy this a few weeks ago at like 60 cents. So if you're holding Sui, well done. It's going to continue to go up. And of course, our favorite banking coins, XLM, is still at 10 cents, up 4.6. Again, this is pretty much a copy of XRP anyway. But anyway, moving on. Let's get into this, guys. Yes, if you have not joined the Wall Street Bull University, the link is here in the community tab. Go join up to this, guys. Seriously, I've got some bullish content going up in there. Now, moving on to 3 commas. Again, this software is unbelievable. This is no BS. This is from when 3 years it's basically been. I've been using 3 comma software. That's 92 USDT, 92,000 USDT. It's no BS. Coming over to subscriptions as well. You will need a subscription on this. I'm using the monthly pro plan. I mean, it's pretty much, enough, in my opinion. $500 cost averaging bots is $76 a month. I've made that back already today. So just putting that out there. Or you can buy it the whole year and not worry about the monthly payments. It's up to you. I'd much rather pay for this than a Netflix subscription. It's just saying. Coming over to the dollar cost averaging bots. Yesterday we switched on one that was actually disabled just to load, cash in there pretty much. Let's have a look here and see what's going on. Okay, so just going to go to that second page. Here we are. It's actually running at the moment. It's currently made me, each one of these is making average daily profits, all right? This is averaging about 20 USDT. It's made me 447. Let's come over here as well. The short bot, that is making profits. Everything is making profits right here. As you can see, it adds up significantly, all right? Now, I might set up more. We'll see how we go, but it does need more capital. Coming over to gate.io, this is the exchange that I use it on because we can't trade futures on any other exchange apart from Bybit. It's a freaking nightmare. That's why I moved to gate.io because it's pretty much like the old OKX, all right? Coming down to the positions, I've currently got 28 open at the moment. And you can see there are just obviously in the red today, a couple in the green, which is nice to see that. Sui's in the green, up 0.26, and it doesn't seem like a lot, but when you guys have a look at the position history, this is where it gets crazy, right? These are all long positions today. No BS. Have a look at these profits today. It's the 1st of October. Profit, 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 profit. I mean, it's no BS, right? So I don't have to sit here looking at charts all day. The bots do it all for me. There you go. You can see the date there. Look at that. I'm still going. Let's see when it stopped. The last trade. Here we go. Here we go. Midnight. 1 a.m. Absolutely wild. Coming over to funds management, just on the quick so you guys can see this is no BS. Asset analysis. All right. So you can see here. There's my account in USD. Today's profit P&L is 176 USD. That's up 18%, which is just ridiculous. Coming over to the P&L calendar, as you can see, it's up 18% as well. Really, really nice to see that. Now, coming to the dates, if I go to September, average return was 74%. You can see the months right here. So overall, it's done incredibly well. I'm not complaining about a 74% return on my money in a month. It's insane. And we're already up 18% today, right? Pretty straightforward. I've linked all of the bots in the Patreon, so go join up, and there's instructional videos on how to do that. Interesting news update quickly, guys, but we're looking at the weirdest crypto bull run of all time, and I suspect this is because of the ETFs, right? But Bitcoin's consolidation and unpredictable altcoin performance are making this the strangest bull run we've seen yet. Institutional investors are pouring in the money into Bitcoin ETFs, driving more demand, and altcoins are crushing it, with some outperforming Bitcoin up to 200%, and meme coins seem to be in charge as well, which is interesting. And there are many reasons for that. Bitcoin's consolidation to meme coins that won't die. Bitcoin's rolling between 57,000 and 74,000, which is an all-time high since March, when we broke again the all-time high twice, which we did. Since, though, we've been tight consolidation. So it's been hovering around that price. And it is a very strange bull market, but things are going to get pretty crazy. Uptober, and Bitcoin is eyeing off that 22.9% historical gain, which is crazy. And Bitcoin's historical October performance, known as Uptober, is jeopardized by high futures interest and reduced spot buying. Despite potential market overheating, 5 to 10% pullback could maintain Bitcoin's uptrend. Let's see what happens right this. And as October begins, crypto market enters October, a period historically associated with strong Bitcoin performance. Over the past 9 years, Bitcoin has exhibited an average of 22.9% in gains from 8 Octobers, potentially pushing the leading cryptocurrency above 78,000 US dollars into an all-time high territory right here. And again, I would love to freaking see that. That is bullish. Again, Ripple Labs making moves. These guys do not screw around. American blockchain payments firm Ripple Labs is expanding globally after securing a major operating license in Dubai. Of course, Dubai is freaking awesome. Love it. Can't wait to go back. The firm announced that it has secured an in-principle approval from Dubai Financial Services Authority, the DFSA, to expand its services from Dubai International Finance Center, which is incredible. And again, the gateway to the Middle East. Dubai is highly sought after crypto hub and a major gateway to the Middle East. With Ripple already building a payments network in the MENA region, this license will allow it to deploy its payment solutions to clients and users, as well as their stable coin, which again is minting like crazy at the moment. Coming over to X as well. Thank you to those 6,650 people. Absolute legends. Yes, that is me and Johnny Deaton. How good is that photo? I've got to get that printed for the wall. And yes, Uptober, as you can see right here, historically, I mean, going back from 2013, 60%. It was down in 2014, 2015, 30%. I mean, look at this. On average, right? It's pretty bullish stuff, as you can see right there. And Bitcoin September close is 63K. This is Plan B. He's got some bullish charts right here. 8th month in 60 to 70K trading range. This is just like clockwork. I mean, really, it's freaking awesome. Sui's making some big moves. Not going to go into that. There was some Ripple, I should say XRP, unlocked from its escrow. Not that I'm worried about that at all. Let's have a listen to this. And we'll end up in this. Michael Arrington right here moved $50 million of XRP into our company in 2 seconds. This is nuts. Have a listen to this.
I don't really get it, right? I mean, they're a legitimate company. They don't pretend to be something they're not. And they're really good at one thing, moving money fast and cheap. And it's fantastic. It fills a big need. And for a hedge fund like us to be able to denominate in Ripple and XRP, I just did the same thing, is really, really, really good. When we did our first close, we moved north of $50 million into the company in Ripple and XRP in like 2 seconds, and it cost 30 cents. Now, that is amazing. There's no way to do that with fiat or Bitcoin. There's just no way to do it that fast and that cheaply, and so it serves a really useful need for us. And then also when our LPs eventually redeem, hopefully never, but when they want some of the money back, we just send it in XRP again, and there's no 3-day wait for international wires or 1-day wait for US wires. We're not paying wire fees and all that. It's just, I don't understand why that's hard to understand. And so the religious wars aside, the tribalism aside, it does some things really well, and we love it for that. That being said, just because we're denominated in XRP, I'm not a special pleader for XRP.
There you go. Big money. Big money. And look at this right here. Tom Lee giving the Bitcoin prices right here back in 2019.
A lot of assets. I still think it's crazy. But for a retail investor, somebody who's saving for retirement and putting that aside, that seems crazy to me.
Well, it's basically the idea that you can afford to lose 1% if that's 1% of your portfolio.
That's crazy. You might as well throw it away on high fees to an investor, to an average like this. You're taking a flyer on that. You don't know where it's going to go or what's going to happen.
Well, in a way, that's right, Becky. That for the majority of people, it's 1% is like a small risk bet. But Bitcoin makes all of its gains in 10 days in a year. I think this is an example that if you exclude the 10 best days, Bitcoin loses 25% a year. So you got to essentially hold it or hodl it, as they say, to really capture the gains.
There you go. You do have to do that, guys. And yes, that is actually the trading bot's profit in a month last month. Look at that. It's ridiculous. It's freaking awesome. Can't wait to see some bigger gains. When the full-blown bull market kicks in, this is going to get wild. Anyway, that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Join the Wall Street Bull University. You guys are freaking legends, all right? Take care of yourselves. Peace. Bye.